Welcome to the spoken tutorial on two-dimensional arrays in C and C++. In this tutorial, we will learn what is a two-dimensional array. We will do this through an example. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu operating system version 11.10, GCC and G++ compiler version 4.6.1 on Ubuntu. Let us start with the introduction to two-dimensional array. 2D arrays are stored in a row-column matrix. The left index indicates the row. The right index indicates the column. Starting index of a matrix or array in C and C++ is always 0. Here we see a two-dimensional array in a row-column matrix. Starting index is 0. Now let us see how to declare a two-dimensional array. The syntax for this is data type, array name, row and column. Example, here we have declared a two-dimensional array num with 2 rows and 3 columns. Now let us see an example. I have already typed the program. Let me open it. Note that our file name is 2d-array.c. In this program, we will calculate the sum of the elements of the two-dimensional arrays. Let me explain the code now. This is our header file. This is our main function. Here we have declared variable I and j. Then we have declared num1 with 3 rows and 4 columns and num2 again with 3 rows and 4 columns. Num1 and num2 are two-dimensional arrays. Here we take elements of the matrix num1 as input from the user. The elements are stored row-wise. We have considered I for rows and j for columns. This for loop will check the condition that I runs from 0 to 2. This for loop will check the condition that j runs from 0 to 3. Similarly, here we take elements of the matrix num2 as input from the user. Here we display the matrix num1. Here, %3d is used to align the matrix on the terminal. Now here we display the matrix num2. Then we add the num1 matrix and the num2 matrix and display the result. This is our return statement. Now click on Save. Let us execute the program. Please open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously on your keyboard. To compile, type gcc space 2d-array.c space -o space arr and press enter. To execute, type /arr. Now press enter. Here we see enter the elements of 3 into 4 array num1. I will enter the values now. Now we can see enter the elements of 3 into 4 array num2. I will enter the values. The output is displayed. Here we can see the num1 matrix. Here we can see the num2 matrix. And this is the sum of num1 and num2. Now we will see how to execute the same program in C++. I have already made the program. I will open it and explain. This is the program for two-dimensional arrays in C++. Note that our file name is 2d-array.cpp. The extension is .cpp. Let me explain the code now. This is our header file as IOStream. This is our using statement. This is our main function. Here we have cout function as we use cout to print the output in C++. Then we have cin function. We use cin to read a line in C++. Here we use /t. It means horizontal tab that is equivalent to 4 spaces. Rest of the code is similar to our C code. Now click on save. Let us execute. Come back to our terminal. Let me clear the prompt. To compile, type g++ space 2d-array.cpp-o space arr1 and press enter. To execute, type ./arr1. Now press enter. Here we see enter the elements of 3 into 4 array num1. I will enter the values. Now we see enter the elements of 3 into 4 array num2. I will give the values as the output is displayed. We can see the num1 matrix, the num2 matrix, and this is the sum of num1 and num2. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Come back to our slides. Let us summarize. In this tutorial we learned to add elements in a 2D array, to print 2D array, and to calculate the sum of two-dimensional array. As an assignment, write a program that takes two two-dimensional arrays as input from the user. Subtract them and find the result. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. The script is contributed by Ritvik Joshi. This is Ashwini Patil from IIT Bombay. Thank you for watching.